BrainBobble presents 8 surprising insights into your personality. What your music taste reveals about you. Did you know that your music taste can be a window into who you are? It's true. Music does more than entertain us, it can be an indicator of our personalities and how we think. In this video, we'll dive into 9 fascinating ways that your musical preferences can show us who you are. Join us as we explore these unexpected connections that your musical choices have with your character and personality. 1. Reflection of values. The type of music you listen to can be a great reflection of your values, from political stances to religious beliefs. By analyzing what kind of music and messages you resonate with the most, you can reveal secrets of your personality that may have otherwise been left unknown. If a particular artist or song speaks to you on an emotional level, it could signify deeply held opinions and perspectives that are now being expressed through their words. The music you choose also reveals a lot about how open-minded you are and whether or not you're willing to accept different ways of thinking and living. This is especially true when it comes to religious or political issues. Ultimately, the way in which the music reflects your values and beliefs allows those around you to form a better understanding of who you really are. 2. New things and risks. Your taste for different musical styles communicates to others that you are open to discovering new things and taking risks. This sends a signal of bravery, as you show a willingness to explore outside of the boundaries of your comfort zone. Your enthusiasm for new music can reflect an eagerness to try other activities and situations in life, indicating confidence in yourself and courage to push your own boundaries. Ultimately, it reflects a mindset that is ready to accept challenges and stretch beyond what you already know. 3. Deep-level connection. By paying close attention to the melody and lyrics of a song, you are allowing yourself to connect to it on a deeper level than simply just listening. The messages conveyed through the music can be seen as a reflection of your own inner thoughts, or aspirations, realities, or dreams. They offer insight into how you view yourself and the world around you, your values and beliefs, what kind of person you want to be, and even how you relate to other people. Melody also lets people in on your emotional state, positive or negative, at any given moment. 4. Identify with personal themes. When you choose songs that talk about personal themes, it means that you feel a connection between yourself and the message in the song. It could mean that the song reminds you of something you have gone through, or it could relate to how you're feeling right now. It suggests that you understand the emotions behind it and can recognize them in yourself. By being able to identify with certain topics, it means that you are aware of your own thoughts and feelings, which is an important part of self-expression. Being able to connect with these messages also often reveals an insight into your values and beliefs, as well as your preferred style of expression. 5. Challenges the status quo. When you choose to listen to music that goes against the norm, it could be seen as a sign of your commitment towards creating social progress beyond existing standards. By being flexible with your music choices, this may suggest that you are advocating for improvement and pushing boundaries when it comes to finding solutions for society's issues and difficulties. Listening to music that isn't as popular or mainstream could be interpreted as a way of demonstrating that you want to work hard to make things better than they were before. 6. Creative potential. Exploring a wide range of music reveals the creative potential that lies within you. By exposing yourself to a variety of different melodies, genres, and rhythms, you gain access to an array of emotions that can be harnessed to help shape your own personal style. Your diverse taste in music gives you the freedom to use your creativity in ways traditional methods may not allow, allowing you to go beyond what is already known. 7. Admiration for musical innovators. Showing an appreciation for musical innovators reveals a willingness to explore unfamiliar territory and take risks. It can be seen as an indication of an open-minded mindset. It shows that you are passionate about learning something that is outside of your comfort zone, and you understand the importance of expanding your knowledge and horizons. Your passion for music reflects the ambition and drive that you have in other areas of life too, allowing yourself to experience something different, unfamiliar, and exciting. By embracing change, discovery, and knowledge through music, you demonstrate a desire for personal growth and development. 8. Empathy and connection. Your choice in music can be a powerful way to demonstrate empathy and a desire to connect with people's stories. By listening to and understanding different types of music, you're able to gain insight into other cultures, viewpoints, and experiences. Things that you may never have encountered on your own. Music has the power to transport you into someone else's world, allowing you to internalize their stories and feelings on a deeper level than simply just reading about them. Through this connection, you are better able to show compassion for those who are struggling or going through something difficult, as well as appreciation for those who have managed to overcome their own challenges. Ultimately, music is so much more than just sound. It can be used as an expression of empathy and solidarity across all demographics. Music has the power to say a lot about someone, even if they are unaware of it. Whether it is expressing yourself through the words of a song or simply connecting to the sound of an instrument, your musical preferences can speak volumes when it comes to revealing who you are to other people. People may be able to get insight into your political and religious beliefs, as well as your emotional state and personality just by listening to your tunes. If you want others to gain an understanding of who you are without words, take some time to think about what kind of music makes you feel something and why. Then let your music do the talking. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.